Hi, Richard Greaves, Remax Alpine Realty, and today we're at our latest listing at 65 Riverstone Road. It's right here to the left of us. It's a 4-bedroom home with a legal suite. It has a huge workshop garage, one of the biggest decks in Canmore with the best south-facing views, and a beautiful area for a garden. So Riverstone Road's in a really family-friendly neighborhood. We've got Cougar Creek just to the left of us. Lots of walking trails, lots of pathways, lots of parks, and very close to this school. 65 Riverstone Road's just behind me. Let's go inside and take a look. So this main floor is huge, it's great for families. We've got an incredible entranceway that's got lots of storage for coats and jackets and boots. This main floor is bathed in natural light. We've got a seating area with a wood burning stove. We've got this huge kitchen with the beautiful island and gas cooktop. Just around the corner we've got a home office and a 2-piece bathroom. And then the best part about this main floor is the huge deck that it accesses that has the south-facing views. So one of the main features of this home is this just incredibly large deck. It's huge, it's south-facing, so we've got some incredible views of the south-facing mountains, and it sits on top of an oversized garage, which is perfect for a workshop or parking cars or lots of mountain toys. So upstairs we've got 4 large bedrooms. The master bedroom has vaulted ceilings, some amazing view windows, and some incredible views from lying down in your bed. It's also got a 4-piece ensuite washroom. The other 3 bedrooms are all very generously sized, and 2 of them have built-in lofted beds. Downstairs we have access to the 5th bedroom or flex room. The remaining space of the lower level is dedicated to a legal suite, great for bringing in revenue. So the legal suite has its own separate entranceway and looks out south-facing over this incredible garden area. As always, thanks for watching. My contact information is just below if you'd like more information on this house or any other home in Canmore. And as always, we've got more videos coming in the next few weeks, so don't forget to click that subscribe button.